तेहरान में मौजूद CNN टीम अमरीकी और इसराइली हमलों की जद में आ गई है। रिपोर्टिंग के दौरान तैयारों की घन गरज और धमाकों की गूंज सुनाई दी, जिस पर सहाफ़ियों ने भागकर जान बचाई। टीम अगले दिन हमलों से मुतासरा उसी मकाम पर वापस गई जहां हर तरफ सिर्फ तबाही और बर्बादी थी।
Okay, we're hearing jets overhead. There's anti-aircraft fire going on. They told us we gotta get out of here as fast as possible. That just goes to show how fast things can turn bad here. We were filming at a site as apparently get rid of this mask struck yesterday. Where we are right now is the east of Tehran, and the authorities say there was a massive airstrike that hit a residential building. Now, as you can see, there's some demolition work that's still going on here right now. Now, they say that a lot of people were killed and wounded here at this site, but what they also say is that the blasts from the bombs that hit this area were so strong that it not only destroyed these buildings, but that it also damaged severely a lot of the buildings on the other side of the street and, in fact, in that larger block. Now,